In today's fast-paced engineering world, AI isn't just the future, it's transforming productivity right now. Meet your new AI-powered assistant, built specifically for engineers, architects, and project managers. Tired of measuring irregular shapes manually? Introducing AI-powered measurement. Just click once. Our AI instantly calculates areas and perimeters of any shape in your PDF drawings. Get precise results in seconds. Wasting time counting symbols? Lost in messy multi-page PDFs? AI-powered counting. One-click identifies and tallies all instances of any symbol or legend. Bid farewell to human error and endless scrolling. AI-powered bookmarking. Transform chaotic multi-page PDFs in seconds. Our AI intelligently analyzes your drawings and generates a clear, navigable table of contents automatically. Find any sheet instantly. Available for Windows and macOS. Work faster. Work smarter. Download now and put AI to work on your next project.